Hey, Ohio. This morning we decided we're gonna do a quick one-night camping run. We're gonna head out to this place, Angel Peak, which is up New Mexico 550, about 150 miles from here. We're gonna go check it out. We're gonna test out the RV because we just had some work done to it. Putting a little bit of water in it. Got my feet wet. It's cold, and we're full of water. Okay, we got some snacks. We got Doritos. And we got
ice cream.
Blue Bunny king size cone. I got 2 of them for me.
No, it's no, one for me and one for Genki.
I don't think so.
Okay, so about 1 more hour drive to our campground.
Yep, 1 more hour.
Yeah.
It's like 65 miles.
All right, let's go.
Hey, you want a choo-choo? You want a choo-choo? Tater Joe choo-choo would be good, Jack? Can do.
Badlands Overlook. わあ、すっごい景色。What a view. こんなとこがあるの？すごい。It's funny how my heart is wired. It doesn't make any sense to me. But who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. How many more miles to the campground?
We're 1.3 miles from the campground. Almost there.
Okay. Oh, すごい。テント。Was it available?
Nobody in it. To me, that means it's this spot right here. Perfect.
結構来てるね。It's kind of full. Yeah, surprisingly.
It's kind of full.
ね、もういっぱいだね、キャンプサイト。
I'm not sure This is a campsite. I don't see. Oh, there's a fire ring over there.
どこ？
We
お
can
いや。
park just like this.
本当？ここなの？あ、本当だ。ファイアピットがあるから。
I don't think we're level right here though.
Wow, it's nice じゃん。It's really nice view from here. はい、着きました、キャンプ場。じゃあこれからセッティングして、ゆっくり落ち着きたいと思います。元気？キャンプグラウンド着いたよ。
Hey, Genki, we're in a new campground. Genki's ride the slide. Excited? Huh? That's a boy. Something new, huh? Okie dokie.
Hey, this is a campsite tonight. Genki, are you being a guard dog? Huh? What you got, buddy? あ、おやつ、チュチュ。
We should go hike soon because the sun's already right there.
Yeah. で、この景色です。This is the view we got. わあ、すごい。すっごくないここ。この地形がすごい。わあ。So we're gonna be walking to around there. Nice. Wow, look. もう大自然の中。すごい。みんな見てみて。すごい。ほら。おお。すごいよ。これミニグランキャニオンみたい。とか、サウスダコータにあるバッドランドっていうとこあるんだけど、そこにもちょっと似てる。すごい。すごいな。The sunset will be maybe pretty here. Can't wait to see it. Ooh, interesting. なんか面白い。すごいな、なんかこの自然のデザインっていうの、なんかすっごいわ。おー、綺麗。Nice, isn't it?
Up there, around there, up to that rock.
You wanna go?
You Genki enough to go that far?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Okay.
We both look for a sign, and you say these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know when we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why, guess all beauty must die. We try hard, but we all so reckless. So reckless. It took time to
Yeah.
乾杯。
はい。
Just like Chica. I feel like an old man just sitting in my chair staring at the rocks. Eating Doritos.
Me too then. All women. 元気 what you got?
What you got, buddy?
What you
Let me
got?
see.
What you got?
Come here. Oh,
What you got? Let me see. Oh, you got something nice. ね、こ
good
れ
job, Genki.
美
Good
味し
job.
そうだね。これね、見せつけたいんだよね、元気ね。かわいい、元気。
Says, I just want to show you. I don't want you to take it.
かわいい。What a beautiful blue sky.
Mm-hmm.
ね、すごい真っ青な空。綺麗。
Maybe a nice sunset.
ね、サンセットまだかな。It's still right there,
Oh.
the sun, so.
Starting to get a lot
あ、
of
また
shadow.
元気来た来た来た。元気来た来た。見せたいんだよ。何？こっちか、元気？何持ってきた？見せて。見せて。見せてごらん。もう何回も来てんのこれ見せるために。かわいい。ね、元気？かまってほしいからね、こうやって加えてね、もう店に来るのね、元気ちゃん。でまたどっか行っちゃうんだよ。ほら。バイバイ。またね。See ya また来るよ後で。もうすぐしたら。He's gonna come back これで8回目。元気また来た。元気いけま元気かわいい。元気ねまた来たの？かわいい。
Let's go. Go eat gohan, Genki.
あ、見てる見てる。
I only got that little piece. Oh, that looks professional.
So warm.
Just gotta keep it small.
Nice. What? What is that?
This is the world's biggest chopstick.
Can you try eat with that?
I can pick up any grain of rice. Ooh, hot. Looks like you missed. Fire too big, little miss.
これが最後の炎だね。That's the last frame for tonight. 明日の朝の分も残しといた。That's the morning wood. やっぱどこ？うわ、やばい。帰れなくなっちゃった。どうしよう。どこだっけ？